Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in OlympTrade account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an OlympTrade application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here OlympTrade application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, login, registration. If you do not have the account yet, you can simply register for your account. If you want to log into your account, tap on the option login. Now you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either log in with your email, Facebook or Google. So simply tap on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to use my email. If you also want to do that, tap on the field of email. Now simply provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the registered email address. Now after you enter the email address, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter your correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget your password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after you enter your password, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in OlympTrade account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.